Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all the viewers of wisdomjobs.com. In this video, I am going to explain you what is Coulomb's law and how to solve problems on Coulomb's law. So before going to this topic, I request you all to please do subscribe to our channel Wisdom Jobs because we are going to upload so many useful videos for you, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, you are going to miss these videos which are very useful in the external examinations for BTech students and in GATE examinations also for the subject of EMTL. So please do subscribe to our channel Wisdom Jobs. So with this note, I am going to start the topic on Coulomb's law. Now, before going to Coulomb's law, I need to explain you what is electric field. Basically, we know that the charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. So, so many heap of electrons will make a charge. So, if I say 1 coulomb, so a total of 6.018 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons will make 1 coulomb of charge. So if I say 1 nanocoulomb, so 1 nanocoulomb will be simply the charge that is supplied by how many electrons? 6.018 into 10 to the power of 9 electrons. Okay, so these many electrons supply a charge of 1 nanocoulomb. So likewise, if I talk about 1 microcoulomb, 6.018 into 10 to the power of 12 electrons will make 1 microcoulomb, so on and so forth. So a heap of electrons is nothing but a charge. Now, if I am having two charges in a particular, or let me say if I am having a charge Q. Okay, so if I am getting one more charge, let me say name it as 1 and Q2. So if I am trying to move the second charge towards the first charge. So what's happening? Due to the principle like dislikes like or like repels like, so the electron Q1, the charge Q1 will be repelled by the charge Q2. Okay, so now slowly we are going to move at to some proximity of Q1, that of Q2, right? So if I am moving Q2 towards Q1, at some point of time, at some distance, the effect will start, the repelling effect will start. So up to some distance of Q1, there won't be any repelling effect. So the repelling effect starts at a particular zone. So if I am in this direction, if I am getting, let me say up to here in this direction up to here. So I can say that this is the region of Q1. This is the region around Q1 where its presence can be felt. So Q1 can be felt in this particular region which is circled. Okay, so this region I am going to call it as electric field. So what is electric field actually? It is the region surrounding a particular charge and up to which its effect can be felt. So such region I am calling it as electric field. So Coulomb's law is defined in an electric field. So what does Coulomb stated actually? Coulomb stated that the force of attraction or repulsion between two charges is directly proportional to the product of their charges, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That means let me consider two charges Q1 and Q2 in a particular electric field, and let me say they are separated by, let me say, a distance d. Okay, so they are separated by distance d. So the force F is proportional to their products Q1 and Q2. Okay, and is inversely proportional to the distance between them, I mean square of the distance between them. So if I club these two equations, so what do I get? F is proportional to Q1 into Q2 upon d square. Okay, now if I wanted to remove this proportionality, I should introduce the proportionality constant. So that proportionality constant is nothing but, it is simply the constant of proportionality is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, so I can write the equation, or I can state the equation for force as F is equals to Q1 into Q2 upon d square, and of course the proportionality constant is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. And this expression is not the final expression for force, it gives you only the magnitude. Coming to the direction, so we need to introduce a unit vector. So that unit vector is A12 cap. So what is this A12 cap? It is the unit vector along, so what is A12 cap? It is the unit vector along line joining Q1 and Q2. Okay, So I think in the last videos, I think I might have already explained you how to determine the unit vector, right? So after determining the unit vector along the line joining q1 and q2, then just substitute that here, then you will be getting the expression for force. So this is the final expression for force. Okay. So in the next video, we are going to work out 1 or 2 problems based on this particular formula of our Coulomb's law. So if you have got any queries regarding this video, please do express your videos or queries in the form of comments, and whenever we find time for you, we will definitely answer your queries. Okay. So please do subscribe to this channel Wisdom Jobs and like and share these videos so that your friends also will be benefited by these videos. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.